This live stream is for entertainment and information purposes only. Do not copy our trades, as we are just trading to have fun. Many of our trades could already be closed before you even see us opening the trade on YouTube due to the delay of the stream, and we trade offline as well, so you do not get to see the complete picture. We make no claims of profitability. We are not licensed professionals, and we are not providing any investment or trading advice. Greater than 90% of all traders lose money, and we are not responsible or liable for any of your trading decisions or losses. Please trade on demo only and consult a licensed professional. Please read and understand CFTC Rule 4.41. Let's get to the charts and trade safe today. Yep. I was saying I bet my mic is not on either. And lo and behold, it wasn't on. So it looks like it's on now. Let's get Omnius Cam up. There we go. We're all set up. Let's close the public camera. Looks good. Sound test, please. We'll do a sound test. In the meantime, oh, now my cat's red. That's it. Oh. Cat sees me streaming. Cat starts meowing. Cat starts meowing. Looks good. Sound is good. We're not redlining. Okay. Anybody know what happened at 9 o'clock besides the fact that I think I came online around there, maybe a little bit later. Let's take a quick look at the Asian session. We only took out the highs. We didn't take out the lows. That's as far as I'm interested on that chart. On this chart over here, we got a lot of lines. I'm removing all the lines. On this chart over here, same story, eh? Above the 50. Closed above a recent swing high, closed above the trend line, closed above, closed above, closed above, closed above. 815 was non-farm payroll, but it didn't move. Yeah, maybe it was a delayed reaction. Wow. Anyways, nice candle. Markets are moving with some momentum. I like to see that. Volume 420,000 at 918. So that's pretty good. Nothing to write home about, but it's still good volume. And the ATR, wow, 27. An ATR of 27 pre-market. That's very high. Okay, what do we got? We got a little bit of contradiction. I got short on the medium time frame, long on the longer time frame, short on the 1 minute. I think it's might be a little tough trading today. Maybe we'll just take it easy. And what else? I gotta make back $81. Really? I thought it was down 73 from last night. $81. Oh man, that's like 15 points on a 3-lot. Can I do it? Can I get 15 points on a 3-lot? $6 a point. What's going on? Oh, I have a big border. That's why I don't want such a big border. Where's the size of the border? Right side margin. How about 60 is enough? We just got an arrow. I don't know which one. We did get an arrow. I don't know why it's not printing. Good morning. Markets took a dump. Yeah. 250 points in like 10 minutes. Data series. Let's get a little less space over there also. Too much space. Days to load. 2's enough. Good morning, Starboy. Properties. I'm going to do my best. I want to pay attention again to the pre-market range, 6 to 930. That's that kind of bluish box that you see over there. So we'll see what we do, how we take it out, if we reverse on that. What are we trading at right now? What line is that? I think this is one of my lines, to be honest with you. Yep. We got the previous day's high at 670, previous day's close at 606, and VWAP at 596. So 596, 606, 670, and we're trading at 472 right now. What else do we got? We got 324 for the previous day's low. Once again, looking at the 30-minute just to see where we're trading in relation to previous day's trading. Kind of mid-range right now, I would say. The high being up here and the low being down here. Low, high, kind of mid-range. Okay. But that's bearish on the 30-minute. Like I said, I'm also bearish on my intermediate term charts over there. Another arrow, eh? How many trades does your bot take? That's not taking trades. Those are just areas of interest. Those are just the bot telling me, hey, take a look. Stop playing with your charts. Stop exciting your TikTok, as Omnius says. Okay, get my notepad out. Had a couple of OG qualifiers last night. Wood chip, Joker, that was pretty cool. $9:23. We still have 7 minutes. Don't want to spill my coffee. Guys, we're going into a deep freeze. It's really discouraging. Really discouraging. I'm just so not in the mood for freezing temperature. -17 tomorrow. What am I gonna do? I'm gonna need an extra sweater. Yeah, these guys, so many bullshit videos on YouTube, it's unbelievable. It's crazy. All these videos about Bruce Willis, and now they're coming out with videos saying that, oh my God, Donald Trump stinks. Look at this. Look what this person's doing, and look at this person's face. Yeah. Okay. Okay. I see what you're doing. I'm going to try and take a little long trade here if I can. I got in at 469 for a 3-lot on my Bullinox account. Let me put in my stop. Stops at 58. And let's put in the target. The target should be somewhere up in the 79 area. I'm already up 50 on my Bullinox account, so I'm happy with that.
Good morning.
Good morning. Let's make it 80. 21. Oh, that's no good.
Got Santa Claus over here making noises.
Yeah, I hear. Here comes Santa Claus. Here comes Santa Claus. That's your elf? Oh, that one. I thought you meant your little elf. 73. Oopalai. Oopalai. Well, I traded that poorly. You know what? Here it's 72 degrees. Fuck off. Hey, Miss K911. Good morning, Miss K911. Type in exclamation mark giveaway, all you guys, to be in today's
Santa Claus getting us
qualifiers.
in trouble.
Santa Claus. Don't look up Santa Claus's skirt.
He wasn't laughing. He's like, I bring.
Oh, let's do an Omnius sound check.
Like, you're not Scrooge, are you?
There we go, Starboy. Miss
We
K.
trade
There we
futures
go.
Omnius.
Why do I not
I was
hear you?
thinking, was your kids talking?
I hear him.
I hear me.
Omnius is
I hear him.
live. I was so disappointed you didn't make a guest appearance last night.
Yeah, family was watching a movie in this room. I was in the other room on my phone. Someone said they saw you on Luna.
Not this morning, but saw you on Luna, so I stopped by to check it out. Yeah, no, this morning, you know, I was with Apex. 3 in the morning. They're from Australia and South Africa. It has nothing to do with Apex. Apex Brotherhood or something like that. So, yeah.
You're Apex, but you're not Apex? That's kind of weird.
Well, they just have it in their name. They have no affiliation with Apex. I guess they figured maybe it'll get them some clicks or something. Anyways, I don't know. They look cool. I think I'm going to invite him on our stream one day. Apex Brotherhood. What are we going to call ourselves? Can we be a brotherhood? What do you got on the top of your chart there? You got something.
We are a WTF Brotherhood.
We're the Futures Crew Brotherhood.
We trade futures. WTF.
I want it in, but it's just a bunch of guys working out. Not on the where? On the Brotherhood? On the Apex Brotherhood? No, they were trading. I don't know. They had some chart up. The price was 42,000. Maybe it was gold. Maybe I was, because their charts were not clear on my screen for some reason, even though I put it to 1080p. Yeah, it had to be gold. No, it wasn't 42,000. It was 4,200 and something. That would make sense. Yeah, I'm on no sleep again, guys, and I'm drinking caffeine. I'm going to be a mess in about an hour from now. I got to trade carefully because markets are open in a minute and a half.
Why do we not sleep?
I don't know. I was working. I don't even remember what I was working on, but I was working on something. I know that. I have to try and... Well, no, I don't. I do not have to try and make back my losses from last night. That's an incorrect statement. Don't even think that way. Three losing trades in a row last night.
Wrong answer. Correct answer was, I don't know.
No, I remember. That's rare to have 3 losing trades in a row. Actually, I think it's one of the first times.
We take trades. We don't make back losses.
Yeah, no, just take the trades. I'm on a 2-lot. I'm going to take it easy. I know I'm not 100%. I know I'm tired right now.
You go into it thinking that you're making something back. You're almost always going to lose.
Yep.
Because you're psyching yourself out. Just take the trade. You know how Nike has the just do it? We're going to have the just take the trade.
I agree 100%.
And WTF, we trade futures.
Am I on the wrong chart? Why is my graph not moving?
I'm on the hourly chart. That's why mine's not moving. It happens. All right, market open.
I hope not.
Big dump earlier, yeah? Assume there was some kind of news. We do have news for the most part of the day. We got 9:15 industrial production, 9:45 PMI, 10 o'clock Trump speaks, 10 o'clock service PMI. I think 10 o'clock is going to be the big news. 10:30 crude oil, which don't affect us that much. Where'd he go? Y'all ran him off already?
No, I'm having a problem with my screen. Wanted to see something. I'm here. Sorry.
Two of me. Too ugly to be on the screen twice. Running off the mice.
Are we on? I was having a problem with my my screen. It wasn't refreshing. It's refreshing now. Okay, let's get down to 59. Oh my God. Wow, do I have a bad fill?
I actually have the ORB on my chart today. Huh. Wonder how long I can keep it. For anybody that don't know, I reset my Ninja Trader constantly. Lose indicators and everything. Fun times, man.
Uh-oh. At least we can laugh.
Why? What I do?
Huh? Well, I said I need to trade carefully. I'm not trading carefully. I'm getting caught on the wrong side of trades, and I'm kind of like a deer in headlights sleeping.
Side of trades, it just opened.
Well, you know how I trade. Really? You're going to do that to me again? You are not going to take me for 2 losses in a row. Okay, well, sorry for the bad example of trading.
What was you doing all night?
I was working on shit.
No.
I don't remember what. Really, I don't. Honest. I did an audio. I know I sent that to my son, and he said, "Really, Dad? 3 a.m?"
Tell him it's 10 o'clock somewhere.
I'm sure I was I'm sure I was working on my games. I was fixing my games because they didn't work yesterday. I know that. That's one of the things I was doing. $29. I'm at 29. Wow, you're very cruel to me today, Mr. Market. You're very cruel to me.
Might be time to take a breather.
I'm down 450. It's okay. It's an eval.
Yeah, it's not that bad. Speaking of evals, I got a message that
oh, I have a story. Yeah, go ahead.
Today is the final day for the Taurus Arena sale.
Yeah, there's a couple of there's some huge news actually. Well, there's the final day on the Taurus Arena. What is it? It's $15, I think, per account if you get 3 or more for the evals.
Mm-hmm.
But I talk a lot about Earn to Trade, and we're going to be reviewing Earn to Trade next week. They have those Trader Career Path accounts where your 50K account goes to 100. They pay you out once you hit target. They pay you out. It goes to 100K. When you hit target, they pay you out. It goes to 200. If you hit target, they pay you out, and it goes to 400K. Right now, they are 60% off, and no activation fee. So if I'm not mistaken, I think you can get in for like $67 or $76 with no activation. And this is an account that you can build up to a $400,000 account. That's pretty impressive. There's no other firm that gives you that ability.
So what do? You just kind of keep leveling up?
Yeah. It's if you hit target, they pay you, and they level you up to the next size account.
Sounds interesting.
It is. It's the only firm that does that, actually.
Who is this?
Earn to Trade.
Earn to Trade. Look into it. I don't even have them on my list. Oh yeah, I do. Right there.
Yeah, they're one of the original firms with Top Step in the old days. They're a very legitimate firm. They work very hard to get their traders to live. That's their goal. That was always their goal. Even in the old days when the prop firms weren't doing it. They don't keep you in sim long. Never did.
Well, I mean, it was never supposed to be the purpose to stay in sim.
No.
The whole point of prop firms was to get you to live accounts. Then they realized that they could just keep you in sim forever and
Lord.
keep raking in the money. So now that they have to put more people live,
keep raking in the money.
They have to because they got in trouble for not doing it. Now they have more of an incentive to build up traders instead of try to tear them down. So ultimately, it should be better for the industry.
Wow, that's crazy.
I was watching part of Patrick's video yesterday. I guess he did start a prop firm.
Yeah.
Crypto prop firm.
Ah, yeah. Someone mentioned that. Yo, way. Well, this account is, I think, 100% going to get blown.
I don't know.
Too bad.
Sounds like
too
a headache.
The markets just don't want to do anything in my favor today. They're just making a monkey out of me. I got to slow it down.
Are you saying my gym partner's a monkey?
Mm-hmm. There's nothing I can do right today. Wrong attitude. Wrong everything. Bad everything today.
Might be time to just
I,
take a break.
oh, I'm not touching any of my funded or PA accounts. That's it. This account is blown. Yeah, no, I'm not touching nothing. I can see I am way off. That's it. Hands off. Let's go to sim. What are we at? 34.
Kind of a tricky market also. That huge stones, that 100-something point dump.
Yeah.
Some kind of numbers came out. I think it was something to do with unemployment or something.
Yeah, non-farm payrolls.
Yeah, unemployment.
Wow, the Trade Saber got 4 trades in a row over there. Boom, 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 boom. Never saw that. That machine gun trading.
I'm tired and I got sleep.
Hmm.
I think I need to be one of those people that take like half-hour naps every couple hours.
How did this get away from me?
You went that way and they went that way.
Who doesn't love naps? No, poor Phil's late entries. I don't know. My platform froze. I didn't
Kids
know if I
feel
was
like
in
naps
trade
are
in
a
the
punishment. I feel like they're a reward.
beginning. Yeah. You're in a different age bracket. That's why.
I don't know. I can't complain. My kids have always been pretty good about. I mean, my son wouldn't nap, but all right, Google, just mind your own damn business. Leave me alone. Google's trying to correct me on something. What was I saying? Oh, my son never really took naps, but my daughter takes naps, but not if you tell her to. So like we'll be riding somewhere and I'll be like, hey, we got a little bit. Great time to take a nap. You look over like 3 minutes later, it's like but if I'm like, hey, you need to take a nap, it won't never happen. If it's a suggestion, it's like, hey, that's a good suggestion. If you're telling her, no, ain't happening. I go through periods of different sleep patterns, though. Like I go for a while where I can't sleep at night. I sleep for like 2 or 3 hours, then wake up 2, 3, 4 hours and fall back asleep.
Yeah, that happens to a lot of people, actually. You wake up, and then it's hard to go back to sleep.
Mm-hmm.
And the worst is if you have to get up like at 8 o'clock, like really, and you wake up at 6:30. Holy shit!
No, it's not the worst. The worst is when you gotta get up at 8 o'clock, but you wake up at 5 o'clock, but you can't fall back asleep, and then at about 7:30 you're getting sleepy. It's like, oh man, now I'm falling back asleep. What can you do, right? I think they're waiting on 10 o'clock news to come out.
Yeah. Can we trade down to 73? And if we can trade down to 73, hopefully then We'll trade down to, well, not anymore. Now it's 80. 945. Deal me in.
Deal me, bro.
Ah, Miss K. You have to, after you type in deal me in, you gotta choose pick long. That's how it works. Oh, we have a trade over there. That's an interesting one. Let's get in and see what happens. Take in a saber-tooth trade. Yeah, you gotta type in pick long. 75. What am I short at? 81? Okay. That's good. Yeah.
Next time. What was next time? I missed it.
Wait. $250 on my PA in Apex. Goodbye. Closing it. Good enough. Shouldn't even have done that. Next time. Oh, Miss K played deal me in, but didn't type pick. Just wrote the word long. You have to write pick long.
Okay.
For the tile to flip. So
maybe the instructions weren't very clear.
Something is bogging down my computer.
Anyways, I don't know how you were streaming so long yesterday. We did the morning stream. We did the afternoon stream. Then you come back, you do the evening streams.
Yeah. Guys, I'm closing deal me in because I'm having a problem with my computer.
I feel like we put in 2 shifts yesterday. You put in 3 shifts.
Yeah, 4.
4.
4. I was up through the night too.
Streaming?
No. Like I said, working and
yeah.
And at 3, 4 in the morning, whatever, I went on to the Apex Brotherhood stream. Talked to them a bit.
Take a look. That's what it's called?
Yeah, I think pretty sure. I find their setup a little bit like ours, you know? 2 guys. Trading sideways. We saw this last time.
Well, they just started, huh?
Yeah, they're pretty new. I don't remember. They talked about when they started, but I don't remember what it is that they said.
A few months ago. They started the channel a few months ago. I don't know when they started. Just because you started the channel don't mean you started streaming.
Mm-hmm. What's coming out at 10 o'clock, you know? I should know, but I don't.
10 o'clock. We have Trump speaks at 10 o'clock, and we have service PMI at 10 o'clock. And then at 10:30, we have crude oil. I don't know that crude oil will affect us that much. PMI is going to be the big one. And you're going to have Trump speaking, so, you know.
He still speaks.
I like the way they do their thumbnails and stuff. I wonder if they have separate channels or they just use the one channel.
Alex, I see Trump at 2:30, not 10. Where did you see 10? Where did you see 10?
Calm down, calm down. At 2:30, Trump makes announcement.
Oh, he's pregnant.
At 10 o'clock, Trump speaks. Per
It sounds like the same
financial
thing.
juice.
It sounds like the same thing, making an announcement and speaking, no?
It's Trump, man. Come on.
It sounds very similar. When he makes an announcement, he doesn't speak. He just makes an announcement.
All right, let's put it over here so we can see it.
You know what I love? I love how he ends his tweets now.
I'm gonna get my drawing tool. I'm gonna circle it for y'all. Trump speaks 10 o'clock.
Hey, how he ends his tweets now. Thank you for your attention to this matter.
Is that what he says?
Yeah, it's so adorable.
I don't pay attention to any of them people. I know I should because these people do move the markets.
Mm.
I don't know. I'm trying to get better at Twitter. Not a big fan of Twitter.
The president participates in the White House internship program class photo. That's at 10.
What's at 10?
The president will participate
Okay.
in the White House internship program class photo.
Yeah, some of the things will let you click on to get more information, but it's not letting me click on that one. Just says Trump speaks. That's all I got. Anyways, I think the big news is the service PMI. So we'll see if the market at 10 o'clock or not.
I don't know what that means in star. Are you in that trade there, Al? Right where the green arrow is? Am I reading the in star correctly?
I don't know what that means.
Me neither.
We get a lot of things we don't know what they mean. No, that's not equal bodies, sir.
You are on MNQ. I only touch Omnius and NQ. That sounds like a song. I have a stomach ache. Guys, did you hear the big news?
You have a tummy ache?
I don't think I told anybody yet.
Hold on. You have a tummy ache or that you're pregnant?
No.
You told me you was pregnant.
But that's not the news. Omnius didn't laugh. Womp womp. Yeah, no, I don't think he caught it. I don't think he caught it.
I didn't catch it. I did laugh.
What are we doing with the 5-minute ES and NQ? Oh, they look about the same. NQ,
So what was I supposed to get? Explain it to me.
NQ. No. Alex wrote that I asked if that was a trade, and he said no. He said it can't even be a trade because my chart is on MNQ.
Okay.
And the signals, the triggers can only come on off an NQ chart. So he said that he only touches NQ and Omnius. That was the joke.
That was the joke?
Yeah.
Okay, maybe it was a dad joke or something.
He's laughing now.
I laughed last time. Look, I don't have to get a joke to laugh about it.
Yeah, when you have to explain, when you have to work that hard to explain a joke. Okay, the big news, the big announcement. I didn't think it would ever happen. I really didn't.
So you are pregnant?
No. Apex denied my payout.
Oh, God.
Oh, my God. I spoke too soon.
They sent me a message yesterday, too. I haven't read it yet.
But it's okay. Because you know that 30% rule?
Yeah.
They told me that because my balance is high in the account, it's not 30% for me anymore. It's 50%.
What?
Yeah. It goes up to 50%. I didn't even know that. They said when your balance gets to a certain level, it goes up to 50%. So they said, although you broke the 30% rule, it doesn't apply to you anymore. It's now a 50% rule for you at your balance. So keep trading and, follow the rules and ask for a payout in 10 days. I said, okay. Works for me. I mean, I did break a rule. I did break the 30%. I do remember when I did it also. So, hey, you break the rules, you get punished. When you broke the rules in school, you went to see the principal. You got punished. You got suspended. You had to sit in the corner if you were young. You missed dinner at home. You didn't get to watch TV. You got your iPad taken away. So, I broke the rules. That's what they're saying is, go about your business, come back in 10 days. You're not getting dessert today. You'll get your dessert tomorrow.
So what did you do to break the rule?
The 30% MAE, the 30% risk on one trade.
So you took more than 30% risk?
Yeah, I guess it dipped below.
Oh, my God.
It didn't close below, but I remember it did.
God.
I do remember it dipped below because they mark it on the charts, which is pretty cool. They draw a little line for you. So
send them a nasty message.
I did see. It is true. It is true. I am aware of it. Markets are still fast. I'm just not getting my fills.
I'll be honest, I don't see why people trade with Apex.
Why? If you break the rules with somebody else, they're paying you? Then why have rules? If they're paying you when you break the rules.
Well, I mean...
Wow, you gotta be kidding me.
I wouldn't so much say that they're paying you. I mean, they're taking the trades.
Are they denying your payout if you break the rules at the other firms? Or are they saying, yeah, no problem, we'll still pay you?
All right, back up. You tell me what other firm denies payouts.
I don't know. I don't
going a little bit over some 30% rule that doesn't even exist.
Well, why doesn't the rule exist?
Well, tell me the prop firm.
I don't know what you're talking. I don't even understand your question, to be honest with you.
What other prop firm says you can't lose 30% more or 30% of whatever you gain or something?
What other prop? No,
breach that, we're not going to pay you.
No other prop firm has that rule.
To me, that's it. The rule doesn't serve a purpose. It's just there to catch up traders. It's like,
really? I disagree.
It's like you're getting in a relationship with a woman and she says, well, I'm going to slap you every Sunday.
No,
I don't want to be slapped every Sunday. I'll go somewhere else.
I'm going to slap you if you touch another girl's boobs.
What if I want to touch another girl's boobs?
Yeah, well, what if I want to slap you?
I go somewhere else.
What if I want to slap you?
You
know? Look, like everybody says, it's their firm, it's their rules.
What I'm saying is the error in that situation was joining Apex, in my opinion.
No. I don't think people should be risking that much on a trade. And there's no that you went over a little bit. There's no such thing as you went over it a little bit, because you can do that a little bit ad infinitum. You know, how much is it? It's $99. Let's take a penny off. Now it's $89.99. Well, let's take a penny off. Let's take a penny off. I can take a penny off all the way down until I bring you down to zero. You have to draw a line in the sand somewhere. Sparky, get lost. I'm having a bad day. Stop bugging me.
Just have to disagree on the Apex thing. Too many good companies coming out, man. I don't know. I don't get people's loyalty to Apex. Like being in an abusive relationship and refusing to leave.
You're so wrong. You're wrong and you're unfair. Else is
right there saying, look, you know.
You're wrong and you're unfair. They all have rules.
What's that?
They all have rules. What platform says do what you want, how you want, when you want? I mean, at that point, you might as well say, why did you close my account? I got to $2,500 in drawdown. Really? You know, they couldn't give me $2,600. They couldn't give me another $1, another $100. No, they can't. It's $2,500 drawdown. If you hit it, you lose the account.
Well, first off, I traded with AMP Futures, and they've never told me anything. They said trade.
Sure, they have. They told you that if you lose all the money in your account, you can
trade. If you don't,
there you go.
That's the rules.
And that money is $2,500. Imagine it's $2,500.
Okay,
exactly.
Well, if I trade it, then leave me alone.
Well, yeah, but if you hit the $2,500 and you lose it, you can't trade anymore.
Okay, so that should be the only rule.
I agree.
Firms want to have some other rules that are supposed to keep you in consistent basis, but to have rules for the sole purpose of trying to trip up traders from making money, I don't agree with that.
Well, that's the thing. They're tagging along the definition of a prop firm. You know, we're giving you. Remember in the old days, they used to lie and say we're giving you our capital to trade until regulations came in and they had to clarify that it was all sim funded. So that was the whole scam. We're giving you our capital to trade, so you have to trade it responsible. You have to trade it responsibly.
Yeah, I told you people used to get mad at YouTubers for trading funded accounts. And now everybody trades funded accounts, and it's like everybody made that big fuss over nothing. I remember people used to give Trades by Matt a hard time. They were trading Top Step. He's like, look, they pay me money. I don't care what y'all say. He's like, I trade, I make money, they give me money. I don't care what y'all say.
I don't know. I'm an Apex loyalist. Look, if I don't break the rules and then they don't pay me on my next payout request, I'll be angry. I'll lower their rating from 4 to 3.5. But so far, it's fair. That's the deal. I pay you. I follow these rules. You pay me. I didn't follow the rules. They're not paying me. But it's not like they take the money away. It's not like they said, hey, you made $400 on that trade. We're going to remove it. No, keep trading. You now have 50% instead of 30 because your balance is up there. Come back in 8 days.
Yeah, it's not that bad, but I don't know.
What I'm surprised about is because I'm such a long-standing customer with them. For one breach, I thought they would look the other way.
And that's what I would say also. You know, it should be like a soft breach. Like, hey, we're letting you know you broke a soft breach rule. Maybe keep more of an eye on it. But
yeah,
I don't agree with the rule, and I don't agree with punishing traders for a rule I don't agree with.
Yeah, I'm putting together a list of questions that I want to ask when we start talking to these prop firm guys. Some tough questions, like why don't they send out an explanation? Why don't they send out an explanation when you don't get paid as to exactly why? Why do they keep you guessing and just say, refer to our contract?
When I was watching, go ahead.
I was just saying, we know the answer to all of those questions because we make more money that way.
Exactly. When I was watching Patrick's video and they said everybody keeps asking him why he's not doing a futures prop firm since he trades futures. And he's like, well, there's so many of them and they're everywhere. And the deals are just so good nowadays. Like, it's hard to compete. Why would you want to compete with all that? And that's kind of the way I look at prop firms. It's like, so many great prop firms coming out. Why subject yourself to unnecessary rules and stuff? I think it's great to remember that we don't have to be with any one firm. If that firm's doing things that we don't approve of, we don't have to follow their rules. What about my rules? You know, we can always go somewhere else. And that's why I keep saying, what an amazing time to be a trader. Not only the prop firm industry, but, you know, years ago, there was only really a handful of brokers you could go with, especially in futures. And you were kind of stuck. You were tied to this one company or that company. And now you can change companies in a moment's notice. Not even think twice about it.
Good morning, James. You missed the announcement, especially for you. It's especially applicable, not applicable, but you know, you're aware of my situation and everything. We're friends for a long time. Apex denied my payment for my payout request for the first time. For the first time ever. He's laughing.
It's kind of funny.
It's okay. It's okay. I'm not even upset about it.
I gotta go read their email. I emailed them again. They emailed me back. I don't know what they said.
Why? I went through their, you know, they have that 30% risk rule or something like that. Like if you can only risk 700, they have no daily loss limit, but you can't go below $750. It's such a contradiction. Like, don't say we don't have a daily loss limit at that point. But it doesn't close you out. It just watches. So that trade actually made money. It went below the 30% for a bit. And then it came back, made money. And it was poor trading. I agree anyways. But no, they denied the payout. But they said, go trade, come back in 8 days. And the 30% also, as I said already a few times, they said I'm not at 30% anymore. I'm at 50% now. It's wider for me. So we're punishing you because you went to 30%, but we're letting you go further. That's basically what the email said. Now we're letting you risk 50.
I think the problem is in volatile markets like this, I mean, 30%, what would we say, it's like 780 or something on a 50K account.
Yeah, and a lot of people try for $1,000 a day, so it's really like that's almost 1 for 1.
Yeah, it's not really that much, especially in a volatile market like it is now.
You know, a lot of people get the 50K accounts, but they want to trade them aggressively, but they want to get a 50K because the risk, the stop loss or the drawdown and the profit target is about the same. And if you go for the 300K account, what is it? $7,000 risk, and you have to make $21,000. So you have to make three times your drawdown just to pass the account. You have to make 300%, and people want to do it in a month. Wow, that's weird. I just don't get it. I just don't get it.
Now, correct me if I'm wrong, but Apex don't have that rule. I mean, not Apex, Bullinox.
Yeah, no. No, nobody has that rule. Everyone, if they want a rule, most people have just a daily loss limit. That's all. That's what they should put in. They should put in a daily loss limit. It'd be so much easier than some kind of.
A lot of them have the daily loss limit or the trail and drawdown. The thing about the trail and drawdown that I like is they normally give you more money. So since I'm a scalper, the trailing drawdown doesn't bother me as much as some of the other people.
Yeah. Who said cats make good pets? I just finished trading 150. That's it. 150 is fantastic. I've been doing some thinking, but. But, yes, it does. I've been doing some thinking, and I'm not only other people, but let's just say even me. I think I didn't have my head really on straight. $50 a day is phenomenal when you can have multiple accounts. I even think that's a good, reasonable target to have.
What I try for, not 50 a day, but I mean,
Trade
couple
Sync,
accounts and
never heard of it.
$100, $200, $300 across a couple accounts a day. I mean, it's not as stressful and it's definitely achievable. I mean, 2, 3, 4 trades. I mean, 10 points, 20 points, and then you got it.
Is that the one by Affordable Indicators, James? Trade Syncer. I know Affordable Indicators has one.
Like I seen an ad for Trade Syncer the other day. Black Friday deal or something. Best copy app out there.
There you go. I want to use Tradeovate. I'm curious. My son says it's good. I haven't gotten to it yet. It's on my to-do list. But I want to try the Tradeovate one. But James, what made you? I have to give you a call. What made you go for that Trade Syncer thing? Did you see a demonstration?
Maybe he saw the Black Friday ad.
You can connect. Yeah, it's kind of like what Kermit the Frog has. I never remember his name. Nutty Bar. Yeah, and you see all the accounts. It's really cool. And not only that, you see totals, you see numbers, you see totals.
He said Kermit the Frog.
Yeah, his voice. Nutty Bar's a good guy. Nutty Bar's like Bullinox. Who doesn't like Nutty Bar, huh? Anybody ever say anything bad about Nutty Bar? I remember in the beginning days, wow, did he struggle with his trading. He really just didn't know what he was doing. It wasn't funny to watch, but it was funny to watch.
I think even back then he was like, shit, I don't know how to trade. Y'all teach me how to trade.
What does that mean? Go have a look. How can I have a look? Are they giving free trials?
So at least he was honest about not being able to trade, and I think he did pretty good in the beginning.
Yeah, I don't know. I remember him losing and challenging Patrick Whelan. And I said, why are you challenging him? You never have green days. Okay, Patrick doesn't show his trades, but maybe because Patrick was making fun of him and calling him a shit trader. So maybe he just said, you know what? I'm a shit trader, but I'll still challenge you because you don't show your trades. Maybe you're a shit trader too.
No, he picked a fight with him for attention. It worked too.
Yeah.
It worked great, you could say. Just saying. Sometimes I try to pick fights with people, and Mike's like, don't pick fights with people. What do you think, long or short?
I think I better get out of the markets. I think the markets are saying, Mike, we're not for you today. We're for other people.
Miss Kay said, just found out he eats the Walmart brand Nutty Bars. They even have a Walmart brand? I always see them at like the dollar store or something.
30. Maybe it's the music. I'm listening to music today. Yes, all the big guys, go have a look. You'll be impressed. Miss K, I just found out he eats the Walmart brand of Nutty Bars. 7-day free trial. Trade Sinker. Can I use it with Bullinox and Apex? No, you can't. Bullinox doesn't let you.
Skeletor, yes. Apex has a consistency for both profit and loss.
I do wonder how it works, though. I mean, when you say when you can sync all your accounts, but with which platforms? Can you connect to Quant Tower and Volumetrica and Deep Charts and Sierra, Ninja, Tradeovate, Project X? Like, does it connect to all of them? Really? Wow, that's really interesting. I wonder how it does that. I'm going to go get me a 7-day free trial.
I'm wondering if the Ninja Trader prop, I'm wondering if that's going to copy trade between Ninja Trader, Tradeovate, and TradingView. That'd be nice. Right on the prop firm.
Yeah. Does anybody out there have Ninja Trader prop by any chance? Trade Sinker is really we trade futures for all. Who's that? Someone's emailing me or texting me. Ah, it's James.
It's Apex. They're saying, Mike, would you please stop letting that other guy on the stream talk bad about us? Telling everybody the truth.
No, you're not. Because you think it doesn't make it the truth. It's your opinion.
My opinion is the only thing that matters. That's my truth. What other truth could there be?
Yeah, right. Wow, what a cool little platform. Nice colors. Okay, I'll take a look. I will take a look. Today was supposed to be a good day. Yeah, I saw it. Today was supposed to be a good day. I mean, it's not a bad day. I made 250 in one of my Apex PAs that I shouldn't have traded, but I got stubborn. Only one, though. I'm up in my Bullinox accounts. But I stupidly blew an account You know what's bothering me? Because it wouldn't have happened if my computer didn't fuck up. It's always when there's a computer fuck up that this shit happens to me. The computer screws up, I lose money, and then I want to make it back because it's because of the computer's fault. I really wouldn't have lost money. Remember when you were entering trades and like your price was all screwed up?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's what was happening. It is since I am here. No, it was in the morning at 9:30.
Actually, it stopped when James got here, didn't it?
Yeah, it did. Every day or not every day, because I am eliminating them all slowly, but every so often, that's a better expression, I find there's another trigger that gets me to blow an account. You gotta remember all of them. You gotta remember the computer problem trigger. You have a computer problem, close it.
Once again, I would just say, what an amazing time to be a trader.
Be a trader, yeah.
When you can blow an account and be like, it sucks, but dang it, I'll go get pizza for lunch or something. What about the days when you were putting 5,000, 10,000 into a account and you just blew your $5,000 and you're like, you can't sleep for 3 days. You got a knot in your stomach.
Hey, cashier.
You're like, oh, dang, I got to go on there and I got to sign up for another account.
Another $15. No McDonald's tonight. There's my Big Mac trio. I'm replacing it with an account.
Uh-huh.
But yeah, yesterday I recognized the issue. That was one of them that I knew. Day traders, remember? I said that I was trading with fear. I didn't want to lose, and all I was doing was losing.
Yep.
That one's on my list. It's on my radar. I closed it down. No problem. Down $80. I should have recognized it here. I should have said, you know what, Mike? I should have given respect to the account and said, the platform fucked you up. Your computer fucked you up. Whatever it is, you're on tilt now. Go for a walk. Maybe that's what I should do. Go for a walk. It wasn't so fucking cold. I was gonna make a video for you. I went out yesterday to go get some stuff, and I had to scrape my windows. I was gonna film it and send it to you.
These guys, it's so cold out. The world's ending. It's 61 degrees. Calm down.
Yeah, no, not where I am. I had to scrape ice off my windows.
Pack your bags. We're moving to Florida.
I was cursing all in the South. Who is it? ERB, I think, is in Georgia. Skeletor, Florida. You were in Florida.
It's okay. We curse y'all in the summertime. Y'all curse us in the wintertime. Maybe one day we'll all be those people that go up north for the summer and south for the winter.
That could have been a trade. Not really paying attention. Short but long.
Yep.
You know what?
That's the way mine looks also. Short but long.
Yeah. This is one of the most, I swear to God, for me, I know this is the hardest environment to trade in. I mean, if you look at the 1 minute chart, basically price is at the top left and we came down hard. So you have to say we're in a short move, but since 9 o'clock, we've been trading higher. Do you go long? Do you go short? Which one is it? You gotta pick a side. And for me, I gotta pick short because we're under VWAP, and my other charts are short. So you gotta pick it short.
Also, you got kind of a bear flag on the 5 minute.
But I'm getting killed because the market is putting in higher lows.
But you also got to think we had this move that was just straight down. So it seems like the market would want to retrace some of that.
Come back 50. 60% and then take out the lows again. Well, we didn't take out the, we didn't even wick the pre-market lows, and we didn't take out the 5-minute opening range with a fair value gap. So, no, that's not true. We did. We took it out to the upside. I was only looking to the downside. We took it out right there with a fair value gap.
Are you on 1 minute?
That's the 1 minute. Yeah, that's a setup that a guy says is very, very profitable. High win rate.
Inverse fair value gap?
No, when you break the 5-minute is this little white box here. When you break the 5-minute with a fair value gap. So we broke it to the upside, we closed, and it formed a fair value gap. But I didn't watch the video that carefully, so I'm just kind of looking at it with the corner of my eye, and if I see that it's performing.
But then I think you're supposed to come back to the fair value gap and then go up. So in that case, it would have lost.
Yeah, I don't know where his entry is. I don't know where his stop is. So I'm just kind of looking at it.
I like that with any kind of like major break. When you break like a resistance or something, you have a gap, because that gap showing you have a lot of strength breaking through that resistance. Then maybe you come back to test it or something. That's a good area.
Yeah.
Took another scalp trade.
Oh yeah.
I'm like, why I take trades? I don't make no money. Because I lowered my contract size when I raised my take profit, my stop loss. What can you do?
Well, any way you slice it, today's going to be a red day for me. Any big special at the moment? Yeah, there are. There's a lot of them. The big one is 91% at Bullinox, and that's recurring, so you can get a 50K account for $15. Taurus Arena has 3 accounts, 3 50Ks, $15 each. Wow, so that's pretty much...
If you buy 3 or more.
If you buy 3. But I think the really big special with one of the really good firms is Earn to Trade. James, you know Earn to Trade. $67, I think, for their 50K trader career path. No activation if you buy it before the 16th of December. No activation. And that's the account that if your 50K goes to $3,000, there's no trailing threshold. They give you the $3,000 and they bump you up to a 100K account. And then if you reach 5,000, they give you the 5,000 and then they move you to a 200K account. And they bring you all the way up to a 400K account. And then once you get a 400K account, I think you have a static drawdown of like 9,000, I think, where it doesn't move, it doesn't trail, it doesn't anything. So they give you, let's say, well, they start you off at a balance of 0, not 400,000. But let's imagine they started you off with a fictional balance of 400,000. Then you'll see your drawdown at 392, and it'll never move. It won't go up. It won't go, well, obviously it won't go down, but it won't go up. So if you make $1,000, it doesn't go to 393. It's static. That's a phenomenal deal, man. This is their best deal ever. Like I said, $67, no activation for an account like that where they pay you and bump you up to a bigger size. Any funny rules with they have they're very strict because they're like a legitimate firm. So they have scaling rules. You can't even though they give you, you know, a large amount of contracts to trade, you can only trade 2 minis until you have $1,500 profit. So on and so forth. So you have to work your way into it. They're a legitimate firm with legitimate rules. There's no funny rules. This is probably, I gotta say, this is, you know how I say Omnius, there's always these guys, these firms, they always dip into the toilet of stupid rules. I don't think they have that. They used to. They used to have it. I think I even told you, if you went over your maximum contract size, you were able to, and you lost the account. Like with Apex, if you try to take an 11 lot, 11 minis on a 50K, it just won't do it because your max is 10. But in the old days with Earn to Trade, it would do it, and then you would get the administrator only message.
To be fair,
That was stupid. That was a
fair,
long time ago.
years ago, all the prop firms were like that.
Yeah, that's when they were all like that. They don't have it anymore. I don't think they really have any.
Or you
funny
forget
rules.
an order or something that goes past the time, and
Yeah.
you violate your account.
Mm.
And the time used to be $3.59, not $4.59.
Yeah, that's right.
So if you had an order at $3.59, you blew your account. That's why I keep saying, what an amazing time to be a trader. The prop firms have come a long way. Remember, you used to have to do 2 evals.
Oh my God, that was that was crazy.
And people used to tell me, why don't you get an eval? I'm like, why the hell I want to go through all that? It's just have my own account.
I wasn't in prop firms in those days, but I do remember it. And I remember when the first one started or came across my radar that there's only one eval. I said, "Oh, now it's starting to sound interesting."
Actually, I didn't really start thinking prop firms sounded good until Apex, really.
Mm-hmm.
Well, there was a couple I tried before Apex, but
who's the other one that's got a really good deal? Buy one, get one, no activation, 50% off. I forgot even who it is, but it's like
Funded Futures Network.
Is it? That's $37 for a 50K account with no activation. Right? Am I saying it right? No. Am I saying it right? Yeah. It's 30. You have to buy. You buy one. If I'm not mistaken, it's $75, I think. Right? Am I making a mistake?
$75, yes.
Yeah.
I don't know if they still have the buy one, get one or not.
And you get one free. Okay, they did. Yeah. They used to have it, maybe. I don't know. Maybe they still have it. But if they still have it, you got another one for free, and there was no activation fee. So basically, you were getting two 50K no activation accounts for $37 each. That's insane. I really feel like it's, is it? I was going to get it, and I said no. Maybe it's gone. Someone go look it up. Go to, who's it called again? My Funded Futures Network? Funded Futures
Funded
Network?
Futures Network. I'm on their site, but their site's kind of confusing.
Well, if you go on their site and it's there, the coupon shows up right away as soon as you log on. It was like a little 1x1.
Yeah, I don't see it when I'm logging on, but I see it on the thumbnail. I don't know if that's just...
So it's not, it wasn't 300, 50% off, 150. Buy one, get one, and it was $75 an account. It's really 150 at 50% off. So you're paying $75 out of pocket, and you're getting two accounts with no activation, $37.50 each. That's crazy.
It's 150, and with the 50% off, it's 75.
75, and then you get
then
two.
They had the buy one, get one, and the no activation.
So you're basically for almost the same price as of an 80% off with Apex. You're getting no activation. Wow. That is a good deal. Maybe I will look into them.
I would message them and see if they're still having that deal.
Yeah.
Like I said, I don't see it, but their site's kind of hard to maneuver anyways. And then the day traders, they kind of, it's not 91 no more, it's 87. That's still a good deal. Try to bring it up, but for some reason their site's been...
I'm sorry, I was my brain was multitasking. Did you say Bullinox is not 91 anymore? But you told me it was till the end of the month, and I saw it till the end of the month.
Day traders.
Oh, 91, 87, it's the same thing. Oh, I think my kids just caught that move. I'm hearing cheering. I'm hearing cheering. When you see a candle move like that and your boys start cheering.
Mm-hmm. Well, it was like $37 or something. It's 49 now. Amazing what a few percentage does, huh?
Mm-hmm.
I mean, still, you pay one time. Yeah, give it a few weeks. It'll be 91 again. But still 49, still a good price.
Yeah. Actually, to be honest with you, I'm really surprised it's not.
I think right now, if anybody's wanting an account, I think Bullinox is the way to go. I am kind of interested in the funded futures network, though.
Yeah, I'm gonna go take a look at that. I already got too many firms,
and then I heard another one.
Around.
I haven't really checked them out yet. Maybe you know. I think it was called Alpha Futures.
Oh my God! Yeah, someone was bringing that up to me the other day. Says that everybody is with Alpha now. Who is this new Alpha?
Apparently, they're the ones making all the noise right now.
Yeah. If they pay, I like that. Any funny rules? 15-second or 30-second rule at MFFU is still a rule? I'm sure it is.
Yeah.
I don't know, but I'm thinking it is.
Yep, that's a deal breaker for me. That's why we don't talk about them. I mean, if they would ever get rid of that rule and the no break even rule, I mean, they'd probably be more interested in them.
Yeah, we're gonna do a deep dive into MFFU. Maybe even pretty soon.
I hate to talk bad about them because so many people like them, but I mean, really, 15-second rule. I understand you want to cut out the micro scalping. Eric, good morning. But you can't tell me that a 20-point move's micro scalping.
Best dashboard by far that I've seen, though. I'll give him that. Wow, I just gotta say, how is it possible? How is it possible?
I don't know. It looks like the Alpha Futures is $79 a month. I don't know if they have a discount. Maybe you need somebody's discount code. Who do you think would have one?
I don't know.
That one didn't work. I'm just gonna try some random ones. That one didn't work.
92. Can we get up to 599?
That one. Oh, wait.
Can we break 600? With some enthusiasm, let's go take out the previous day's high over there. Or no, the previous day's close.
Well, I tried some codes. They're not working. Must not be that popular, huh?
What do you think about Houdini? What do you think about Bitcoin? I don't have the Bitcoin chart up anymore. I don't even know what it's at. I'll have to refer you to somebody else on that one. Last I looked, Bitcoin was at 82,000. What's it at now? Anybody?
Give me a second. I'll take a look. Let's take a look. Say Bitcoin 92.
92,000. Okay.
92,578.54.
Where is Ruan? I have the same question. I don't think a lion ate him. I don't think a lion ate him either. Ate him either. That's a low probability event. But it is possible.
Maybe he'll show up 3 days before the full moon. Tell us to buy Bitcoin. Anybody got a calendar for the full moon?
I don't know. It was a nice moon I saw yesterday.
Are we going to know when the full moon is?
You can check your calendar. Can I still participate today? For what, Nefemi? What would you like to participate in? Whatever it is, you can participate. Would you like to participate in some of my losses? It's not that bad, actually. It's not that bad. What's bad is I'm trading dangerously.
What? No way.
Well, no, all my accounts have a PDLL except for that one Apex account that I lost today. But they all have a PDLL. Let me just go confirm. But they should all have a PDLL. PDLL 300, liquidate and block. Yep, they all have a PDLL. So the most I can lose is $300 in my Bonox accounts. And then it shuts it down. That's an absolute break mechanism that you need in your funded accounts.
Skeletor, tomorrow is full moon. That means we're late on the Bitcoin? Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
Damn it, Ruin.
Every time you got to get in a little earlier and a little earlier.
I guess that's why it's pushing up, right? So if tomorrow is the full moon, then he would have started, what, you got today, yesterday, so either yesterday or the day before. It's up 8%.
Sweet.
I mean, I know it sounds silly as hell, but it's crazy how often it works, huh?
Mm-hmm.
So, like I said, he'd have been buying in either yesterday or the day before, and he'd be selling out today, tomorrow, and the next day, I guess. According to the way I understand the plan. Don't quote me on it. I don't trade it.
Oh, tomorrow is going to be a long day.
Why?
Three, maybe more hours in the car tomorrow. I was kind of hoping for a sunny day. A sunny day would have made it better, but
I see the sun.
Yeah. Here it's gray. In the winter, it's always gray over here.
Skeletor said, freezing trading with Mike. What we'll do is we'll get you on a laptop and we'll send you outside in the snow in your underwear. Trade futures. We got to know. If you trade futures in the snow in your underwear, do you trade better or not? It's for science. Come on, man.
It is.
Remember, like Joe Rogan used to do like the ice baths and like document his ice baths and stuff.
Oh, yeah.
So that's the only way to live. You gotta do like a 10-minute ice bath every morning.
There's a breathing technique for going in cold water. I think it's called the Wim Hof method.
Is that what the Russians use? I always see videos of them like out there in their bikinis skiing down a mountain. I think they're built different than we are. I see videos of them like cutting holes in the ice lake, diving in, going swimming.
We got a 15-point target on a tiger trade right here. So targeting about 25,605. Curious to see if it goes there.
Takes me forever to get in the springs. Wife laughs at me. I'm like, it's freezing. She's like, it's 72 degrees. Mike's laughing. That's pretty close to freezing, isn't it?
No, I'm shaking my head because my orders aren't matching the screen, and it's very frustrating.
Oh, yeah. You ever get that lag indicator?
No, I forgot about it completely.
Tried to find it that one time. I don't know. Couldn't find it.
Great. I'm frustrated. My kids are done for the day and they're high-fiving.
They called that
and they only took one trade.
Tell them to come on stream and talk us through the trade.
Yeah. Not bloody likely. I tell them very often. I don't know.
What happened when you first started trading and like you had the camera and the one boy was in the camera?
Yeah, the good old days. Yeah, I used to love it. I told them to come back, but they're going to start their own stream instead.
All right, well, ask them what time frame.
I'm too old.
Too old.
Oh, they just trade the 1 minute.
1 minute? All right.
Yeah.
Then I'll do my interpretation of what trade they took.
Yeah, I don't remember what it was. It was one of those moving candles. I think it was the one at 10:35. Do you remember?
Wrong answers only, right? All right. So you ready? I'm going to give you a walkthrough.
Yeah, I don't see it.
Okay. No, I'm doing on my chart. So right here, had liquidity. Market came down, swept that liquidity and pushed up. Now they're looking for longs. You got a trend line break, but those traders don't know how to use trend line breaks. So what they're looking at is the gap right there. So.
Oh, maybe. Yeah, maybe that's what gave them the entry.
So you have an entry pushing off of this break here, pushing up, then a retest entry, and then another retest entry, then another retest entry.
Yeah, they have interesting setups. They have some setups that get them in after the continuation move goes, but they also have setups that get them in down at the bottom, which is almost a contradiction for me. But
well,
put in the work. They found them.
I think here's the one that's kind of a contradiction to me, but it does work. Where it comes down, it's sweeping that liquidity. Then you also have a support zone right there. I've been noticing this one. So here's your support. You came down, you swept the liquidity. So you have a lot of momentum pushing it. Hit the support and push up. So your entry could have been right there. Came down, you set wick push up, you jump in and ride it up. I would like to start looking at that one more often because your stop would have been 18 points and your profit could have been whatever you wanted to hold for. You could have went to the high right there and it would have been 4.5 to 1.
Okay, guys, I'm going to go refresh my coffee. I'll be back in 2 minutes.
Trades like that, you only need a couple of those a week. A couple trades a week and you're good. I tend to do better with trend trading though, so I try to stay with the trend. I like the in and out trades. I do like learning other trades though, other systems. Pushing up, testing the Globex Open. Got a different spot on each chart, but it's around this area. I think Mike plots the close, which typically is about the same, so he's got to look right there. If my drilling tool would work. Somewhere like there. See which way they want to go. We're also at the 5-minute moving average. Whether they break above, look to go higher, or do they reject off? My hourly chart, kind of a 4-hour. Kind of a weird pattern because came up, tested this support, resistance, broke above it. Expected it to go higher. I guess maybe this was it coming back, testing it. Looking for this 25,850 area. Might take it a few days. See if we can make it back up there. Then I'd be looking at how it acts at that area, because this is our resistance. So if we get a strong rejection off of that area, then I might be looking for a more bearish tone in the market. All right, I'm gonna go grab a drink also. Be back in a minute.
I'm singing. Does that mean I'm in a good mood? Cashier says, okay. I say okay too. It's okay. Where did Omnius go? Look at his screen. Oh, funky like that. Oh, my camera's not on. Sorry, thought it was on. Is my mic on? Mic check. Oh, we should run a game. We got a lot of players already. Nobody has an extra ball. No camera. Went to go feed the wild cats, but there was no cats. Now. No camera now. Oh, really? Still no camera? I think there's a camera. I see a camera. I don't got one on... I'm not on Omnius' stream, though. Okay, let's set up the game. Let's take a break. Let's calm my nerves. You know what? Fucking coffee. I knew I shouldn't have had coffee. Now I see you. Peekaboo! Peekaboo! Now I see you.
You guys are in the right place at the right time because this week's live stream and Prop Drop 500 Beta is proudly sponsored by Skeletor's Chocolate Salty Balls, the official snack of blown accounts everywhere. These chocolate salty balls are hand-rolled, high-risk snacks for traders who like it dark. Dipped in premium cocoa and perfectly seasoned with the salt of your tears, Skeletor's chocolate salty balls are best enjoyed after you get stopped out. So pop one in your mouth and remember, the market may take your money, but it can't take your balls.
Every time the window is different, giving me stress. James, I don't think you entered for the giveaway game. Did you? If you're still there, James, go type in exclamation mark giveaway. It'll put you in the file. I had fun yesterday.
What happened?
I was making them play Deal Me In the blind. I turned it off. I said, whoever wins and Deal Me In. I have it turned off. What I mean by turned off is just like that. You don't see it anymore. If you can
Just
play
the-
Deal...
Oh, how do you know what to type?
You got to remember. That was the thing.
Oh.
Tiger kept playing. He remembered. Oh, because hey, JC. Tiger has a tile. So he was just typing deal me in, pick Tiger, deal me in, pick Tiger. Yeah, guys, hit the reaction, hit the love button 30 times on Omnius' stream. He likes when you guys show him love. I'm getting love from my wife, I'm thinking.
That's not your wife. That's the cat lady down the road.
Cat lady. Yeah, we need to make some changes, but I'm not going to do them now. Let's just get the game going.
We're playing?
Yeah, I gotta update the file though. This one is manual. I gotta do it the way you did it. You did it much better than me. And the one you did it, it's copy and paste. Me, it's
What did I do?
the what do you call it? The control panel that you created on one of them. It's better than the control panel I created. I'll have to show it to DeepSeek can get it fixed. Okay. We got Omnius, Starboy. Oh, I didn't know Skeletor. Skeletor. You're first. I didn't even see you there. How did I miss you? Skeletor, Starboy. Miss K. 9/11. SP King. Smooth Up.
Wonder if he was that guy they would never let talk. And he's like, I'm SP King. Hold on. You know how the kid, I'm hungry, and you're like, well, hi, hungry. I'm dead. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I never used that one.
So he's like, I'm SP King, and they're like, well, hi, speaking. I don't know. Thinking out loud.
Okay. We're all ready to go. Silent Mind. Tech Comics. Tech Comics, you're in there. Silent Mind, you're in there also. Got y'all.
You got Nefami?
Yep.
You got Hamza?
Hamza. I'm sure I do, but I don't feel like I don't feel like I typed him. Yeah, that's it. I don't feel like Hamza. Yeah, he's there. But did I type him in? Or
well, I don't know. That's why I asked you.
Or did I pass over him? I think I passed over him.
He's like, I don't know.
We run it right away. Easy game or long game? I want to make it hard on you guys, or you guys just want to get to the results right away? Yeah, let's go. Okay, let's go. Fuck off. There we go. Let's go. I don't even know if Omnius has it open yet. And I don't have a pause button on this.
Yeah, I got it.
There you go. Stopped out. Stopped out. Futures got stopped out. I have no idea. This is going to be a real easy game. Who is going to win? Anybody making bets? I think I'm going with Starboy. I'm calling Starboy on this one.
Well, I was going to say Skeletor, but then he got stopped out. Huh.
Who did I pick? I forgot. Starboy? Hamza! Again, the last person to enter. I'm telling you, guys, wait till the end. It really seems to favor the last... Not that the last person to enter always wins, but the last person to enter always seems to manage to get over onto the right side of the board very early. And Hamza's looking really good. I think he's going to float in. No? You hit the wall? Starboy. Okay, well, my pick is gone. Do I get another one? I'm going to go with... Hamza, I don't think you're going to do it. Really, I don't. I think I'm going to go with Silent Mind. I'm picking Silent Mind as my second choice. Hamza's still floating around. Causing trouble. Trying to win. Tech Comics. Not interested in the account. He just floats over to winner's pit. Says, not this time, buddy. Hamza wants it. He just can't find his way. Oh, I thought he had it there. Hamza's trying real hard. He just needs directions. Hamza, ask your wife for directions. Oh, you look like you're going to float in now. Hamza, you really look like you're going to float in now. You got it, Hamza. You got it, Hamza. Just in time for the lightning on Omnius' stream. Good timing.
Guys, type in GG for Hamza. Eat.
Omnius, you took my pen?
Yeah, I borrowed it.
You know, can you put it back on my desk after you use it, please? How many times?
No.
How many times have I told you?
I need a pen because the little terrorists that run around my house take all my pens.
Oh, no, it's okay. It wasn't you. I found it.
Oh.
I'm
I was
sorry,
just covering for them anyways. You know how parents are.
Mm.
I figured they probably took it.
Who won? I forgot already. Hamza.
What's great is when they take my pens and my pencils and they're like, well, I needed a pen. And you go to like their little station and it's like, what about that one? What about that one? Oh, I didn't see that.
Who do we have so far? Hey, I don't know if you heard, Joker and Woodchip qualified last night.
Oh, yeah? Cool.
Yeah.
Sweet. How come Joker didn't come on stream with you? Or the Discord?
I don't know. Didn't want. I don't know.
Just trying to say, get somebody from the stream. Jump on the Discord.
Well, and Joker and Woodchip also won qualifiers on Monday. I have a feeling they're going to
Sweet.
They're going to walk away with some accounts this week.
I'd have jumped on last night if the wife and the kid wasn't watching a movie in it right here.
It's funny. I don't know if you know, if you're watching, but Joker, how many times Joker has won a warm-up game? It's like, I'm not saying it's frustrating him. I know he doesn't care that, he doesn't really care, but it's like every time he's here, it's a warm-up game. So anyway, same thing happened last night. Warm-up game. It's like, you got to be kidding me. I said, we're going to run one more just for the hell of it. Just to give Joker a chance, because he keeps winning the warm-up game, and the last one he won. He got in. He made it. I was happy. I was happy for him. But yeah, like you said, I was kind of in the mood to talk ICT. You know what? In the old days, I couldn't talk ICT with him. But now I think, I'm a little better versed, and I was eager for him to come in. We would have looked at the charts, but I know in the evening he's very busy with his family also a lot, He spends time with his family. They have movie nights, they have supper nights and stuff. So.
Yeah, he's got little kids too. I think his kids are about my kids' age.
I don't remember, but yeah, they're not my kids' age. Definitely not.
It is difficult. When you got kids, you got wife. Wife comes home, she wants to relax, watch a movie or something. I mean, we do have another living room like right there, but that would be asking too much, right?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, life's weird, isn't it? It's like, hey, can you go 50 feet that way and watch your movie? We even have a door that closes. What can you do, man? What can you do? We're just here in life trying to please everybody. Plus, it's not good anyways because the kids go running through the house screaming and hollering and fighting. I think the little one's trying to show the big one that she's tough. The big one's like, Dad is not me. She keeps chasing me down. The girl's vicious. Don't let that sweet and innocent act get you. I heard something that started with "Okay, guys."
Okay, let's get in the names. Cashier. Starboy and Hamza. Nefemi. Tech Comics. Silent Mind. Miss K911, are you still there? Silent Mind. Blockwire, Eric. Miss K? Are you there, Miss K?
Can you hear me now?
Can you hear me? Can you hear me calling? Miss K, scream in the mic. Hey, let's see how this one works. Nah, you know what? I'm going to leave it as a surprise. I have no idea how it's going to work. No background, no pegs. Guys, I have a question for you boys. Uh-oh. Omnius. Cashier has a question for you.
Uh-oh. I didn't do it. Blame it
Hey,
on the
Butters.
Canadian.
Butters is an
Butters,
OG.
come on.
Butters gets in. We're not going to make him work. Add a player.
Cashier, I didn't do it. Blame it on the Canadian.
Save and apply. There you go, Butters. Ah. Good man.
Watch out, have somebody from Canada messaging me. Don't be picking on the Canadians.
No.
It's okay. We pick on everybody.
That's fair. Oh, look at that. We got a trade. We got a Sabertooth trade. I'm going to take it on Sim.
Sabertooth.
Sabertooth. No, Tiger Teeth. It's true. We can't
Tiger.
use the words. We can't use the word saber.
What's wrong with the word saber?
Wow.
Oh, that's
Trading Saber uses it. I'm not going to pilfer off his name. It's his losing system anyways. Good thing I took it on Sim. Actually, now it's a good entry because you're getting in with a lot less risk. I think I might take it on too late. Shit. At around 40, it was a really damn good entry because 40 to 23, 17 points with 13 point take profit.
What was the question?
He wanted to know if he has no trading money involved, no payouts, no profits, would you still just trade for the fun of it? Absolutely.
Ooh, can I answer?
Oh, okay. Sorry. I take it back.
I'd say yes, because
Yeah,
I also
absolutely.
play chess with my son, and I don't get paid to do that either. So I think that trading is kind of builds your mental focus, and I think it kind of forces you to improve yourself as a person. So yes, if I didn't make money trading, I'd still trade.
Yeah,
Mike.
and absolutely. I am a scholar and a student, and I just love the theory of it. I like testing the bots. You know, my kids sometimes they say, hey, leave it alone, but it's not even work. I tell them, it's, Dad, stop working. That's what they say. Dad, stop working. I go, it's not work. It's like when you guys go down and play, it's my passion. I'm just so lucky that it's my work also. But yeah, we've had that conversation a few times in a few different ways. Also, there's been times when I'm going to do some work and I say, oh man, I'm not in the mood to work. And my daughter or my son will say, well, then don't go. And I go, no, but I want to. I like it.
Well, I think that's a good question because every trader goes through periods of drawdown. And if you're there only for the money, then what are you going to do when you go through periods of a drawdown,
Yeah, no, you can't do this for the money.
If you're only there for the money and you're so focused on the money, then you're going to have a hard time with those drawdowns.
It's not only that, I don't think you'll be dedicated. I don't think you'll put in the effort required.
I think it's what you make out of it. Like Mike said, me and Mike, we program indicators, we program bots, we back test strategies, learn other strategies. Like both of us, we got our strategies that we trade and that we like, but we still learn other strategies and what moves the market, what's going on with the market. Like for instance, right now, the market's very different right now than it was a month ago or 2 months ago. It's constantly changing. You can't just show up to trading and drift your way through. You can't show up and daydream the day away. You have to be present. You have to think and use your mind.
Yeah, it's a puzzle. It's a challenge. It's everything good. Well, I missed the entry.
Plus, I also
get triggered, but I didn't get filled.
I also swing trade and invest in stocks. I'm pretty much constantly always doing something with the market in some way or another. Platforms, the market, trading. And I like the idea of investing into companies and trading companies. So I don't day trade stocks because to me it's too much work to wake up every morning and decide which one to trade. So for me, day trading is just like futures is where it's at. I show up every day. I trade the NQ. Some days sometimes I'll trade the ES, but it's been a long time.
That was one of the reasons why I started trading futures. I was tired of finding the 3 stocks to trade for the day.
Oh yeah.
You start with the gapper list and the volume list. See who's got a catalyst.
Yeah, because I think stocks are generally easier, but it's just all the setup to what do you want to trade? What are you trading? Are you trading it today and then some crazy event happens with that stock?
Yeah, and that's it. Most of the people looking for the big moves, they're in the small caps. Shit, some of those small caps would get halted and open for 5 seconds and halted and open for 5 seconds and then halted in the opposite direction.
We don't see that a lot in futures, so I don't know. I like the long term with the stocks. The short term, just trade the futures. Show up, trade the futures.
It's a dangerous trade, but it was very exploitable. There was a platform that I was using. I'm not going to say which company it is, but just before the halt, it wasn't the DOM, the level 2 data, one side would go blue and it would just start to spin like a slot machine reel. And you knew it was going to halt, and you knew it wasn't going to go 1 penny above that. So obviously, if it's to the upside, you hit the ask. You had, like, if you're watching closely, I don't remember how much time you had, but you had a good amount of time. Let's say 10 seconds, 5 seconds. It wasn't a half a second. Maybe even as much as, no, I don't think it was 15 seconds. But if if the stock was crazy strong and you saw that it was going to halt to the upside, that was an excellent trade to just get in a second or two before the halt and just put your market order and get out once it opens. I remember I was watching for that quite a while. I was enjoying those trades. But there were times that it didn't open higher or lower if the halt was to the downside.
I mean, also futures was kind of the natural progression, because a lot of times before I started trading futures, I would trade the TQQQ and the SQQQ.
Mm.
And I was always trying to figure out which one I'm supposed to be on, and futures is just buy or sell, right?
Yeah, I remember trading the Qs.
Still like the Qs. I still trade them. I swing trade them.
Okay, we run the next one. It's 11:20. Then we'll run the last one at 11:40.
Run it.
Okay, we're going to do fire. This one's going to be fun. You got it up? There we go. You've never seen this before, I can promise you. Oh, really? Okay, I didn't set it strong enough. Sorry, you've seen it. I thought I set the gun strong enough to hit that top tile. I thought it was going to throw all of them onto the right side of the board, but sorry, I tried to help you guys out.
Okay, we got huh? Why you got warm-up game? This warm-up game here?
Oh, no, it's not a warm-up game. Sorry, I don't have my screen up. No, this is not a warm-up game. There are pegs. They're just, they're hidden. So you don't know why you bounce.
Is that the hidden peg theory?
Yeah, it's the hidden peg theory. Really got to fix it so that if you stop out, you get shot back. But then again, if you stop out and you get shot back out, what's the point of having the stop out, right? Kind of. Oh. The field is getting smaller. Blockwire gets off onto the right side of the board. Silent Mine looks like he might stop out. Nope. It's so funny because
Blockwire's got the advantage so far.
Yeah, it looks like you're floating to the board, but then you hit a block. You hit an invisible.
Going back to the other
side. You hit an invisible peg and you change directions. It's so funny.
No ERB today, huh?
Ah, yeah, it's true. Gravity's. Oh, there we go. I was going to say Gravity was really pulling Blockwire down hard, but he took it.
Oh, I got it. Sweet.
Yeah.
Good job, Blockwire. Guys, let's get a GG in the chat for Blockwire. Sweet. Or you could type sweet. Either way.
Boom, 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 boom. Okay, we'll play the last one on... We'll play the last one when we check out, probably around 11:45. And that trade, unfortunately, didn't get me in, but it went to full take profit. You want to hear how much of a baby I am? Because I had the 3 losers and they were official trades, I stopped counting for the week. I think I was out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 7. I think I was 2 for 7. So 5 losers, 2 winners. I stopped counting. I said, fuck off.
Screw you guys. I ain't counting no more.
It's easy to lie to yourself. Easier to lie to yourself when you don't count.
I told you to stop taking losers. Literally says it. Not taking losers no more.
Hey, they were good trades, though. Problem is, the volatility was low. My stop out was 3 points, 4 points. I don't know if you were there last night. We were bouncing off the VWAP in the previous and the 5 o'clock close. But because the stop was so tight, because it was the evening session, and the ATR was like 4. So, you know, it burps, stops you out, burps, and it enters again and burps and stops you out. I think I got to set one more condition, and the ATR has to be over 10 minimum.
To me, I don't mind losing a good trade.
No, but there's market environment when it even what you consider your good setup, it shouldn't be traded in.
But I mean, if I have a trade set up and I take the trade and it loses, then to me that was a good trade.
Let's put it at that point.
I think too many people try to focus on this whole not taking losers thing. I really think they're going the wrong route.
Mm-hmm.
Like I said before, you take a trade and it goes against you, and then you average down, and then it goes back up to your average price, and you think, oh, well, I didn't lose that trade. But in reality, you really did. It's still a losing trade. You just think about it differently. Because futures are first in, first out. So if you take a trade and it comes down against you and you average in, then you get out at break even. Well, one was a loss, one was a winner.
Yeah. Yep.
You just don't perceive it as a loss. You don't want to acknowledge that that was a loss. So it doesn't bother you. It's the same thing if you take a trade and then you go ahead and stop out, because your stop's there for a reason. You pay it to be there. It's basically your way of saying that you no longer see an edge in this trade. So that's a smart thing to do, is to get out instead of trying to hope that a trade comes back. And then when you see edge again, you take another trade. So now you still have 2 trades. One's a winner, one's a loser. I just think the one's a smarter way to trade. Theoretically, if you have an edge and you know you have an edge and you back test it enough and you have confidence in your edge, then taking a losing trade really shouldn't bother that much.
I concur. You know what movie that's from?
The Last Boy Scout?
No, it was with Leonardo DiCaprio when he was pretending to be the airline pilot, but I forgot what it's called.
Wait, was it Where You Going or something like that? Or,
yeah, something like that. Something like that. Take care, guys. Take care, James. James, you didn't type in exclamation mark giveaway. You don't want to be in the giveaway. Catch me if you can. That's it.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that was a good movie.
But in the beginning, he's pretending to be a doctor. And they would ask him, doctor, blah, 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 blah. And he would just look and he would go, I concur.
I think they said that was supposed to be based off of somewhat of a true story.
I think so.
But those things used to be easier to fake. Print you out a diploma and tell everybody you're a doctor. I think our market kind of froze, didn't it?
Mm.
What was next on our... Nvidia's doing something at 2 o'clock also. Trump speaks 2:30.
Still? There you go, James. Wood chip, big move incoming.
To the moon. Chopping VWAP.
Yep. What's the range? 18-point range. We're going to get one of those.
Push.
Thanks for the laugh. Boosh.
Do nice push for us.
Do nice push for us.
You were falling asleep over there, weren't you?
I was watching, but yeah, we got a tiger teeth. We got a tiger tooth. I don't even know if that's what I'm calling it. Yeah, tiger teeth. Saber trade. Is it on the screen? Oh, no, it's not on the screen.
Not up with that lingo.
There we go. We got it up just in time. Yeah, it's the saber trade.
Good, you could get it up
in time.
in time.
Just in time.
You use your little blue pills or the red ones?
I don't know. I didn't even know there is a red one. There's a red one?
So you know a bit about it, huh? So I don't even know. I was just picking colors.
Well, no, everyone knows. Everyone knows
the blue ones.
Everyone knows about the blue ones.
He's like, wait, they got red ones too? What's the red ones?
What do they do?
Isn't it always great where you're like sitting there watching cartoons with your kids and all of a sudden a commercial comes on? If you can't get an erection, take this. What? He's like, Dad, shut up. Don't ask me. Ask your mother.
Ask your mother.
Then at the same time, right, they're sending you emails talking about how they want to make YouTube a better place for kids and okay, yeah.
Well, I just got to remind myself that there are going to be tough days some days, and today is just one of those days. I can't break my high water mark on my Bullinox accounts, and I know when I fight it, I get in trouble. 160, 110, 120, 90, 140, 80, just bouncing up and down and up and down and up and down and up and down. Where are you now, Mike? Now I am at 110. My high water mark, I think, was 163. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, no, the markets aren't nice to me today. I know that. I see it. I feel it. I hear it. It's just, it's not a day to be trading my systems today. It's a day to play the giveaway game and bug Omnius, get him angry. What can I do to aggravate Omnius? Anybody know? Anybody have any ideas? Maybe if I can ruin his day too, I'll be in a better mood. Misery loves company.
Isn't it sad that people think like that? Can you do? To the moon, man. To the moon. Still sleepy.
I am too.
Somebody tell us a story or something.
Why are you doing that?
What?
I don't understand why my scroll is doing what it's doing. It's not supposed to. Anyways, I'll fix it later.
Hey, mine's been working pretty good lately. Five minute, we pushed up, nice gap at a inside candle, pushing to a nice gap candle, bullish candle, breaking the 5 minute moving average, pushing us up to the open and the close. Let's see, we'll see how we act. To the moon. Bullinox, 91% off. Now's the time to buy. Just saying.
Yeah, definitely. Definitely. Fuck, 15 cents, 15 cents. 15 cents an account. You can't go wrong with a 15-cent account, huh?
Everybody always asks, when are they going to do another discount? Yeah.
When's who going to do another discount? Bullinox?
All the prop firms.
Ah.
Yeah. Anybody on Facebook? Go find me on Facebook. A few people on Facebook. I'll get my link. I don't know how to. How do you get the Facebook link? Copy link. Let's try this one.
Okay, what are we looking at? I missed a long trade. Anybody in the giveaway game for the last round? Who do we got? We have Cashier, Starboy, Hamza, and Nefemi.
There you go. I posted a Facebook link. Yeah, go hang out on Facebook. Not right now, but I mean after the stream. Giveaway. Time for a giveaway?
Well, when we check out, I don't know. What time are you calling it quits?
Never.
Never? Never?
Never. All right, let's do it. Although I gotta leave by 2:30. Run it all the way to 2:30.
Let's keep running them till 2:30, yeah? What do we got in this in today's round, or this last round? Cashier, Starboy, Hamza. Cashier, Starboy, Hamza. Tech Comics and the Femi. Oh, I forgot to mention it, guys, and there's not really too many people hanging around anymore, but if you're hanging around Omnius' chat, my chat, hit the like button. It would be appreciated. Helps the channel a whole lot more than you guys actually realize. Save and apply. 7 players loaded. Did you say run it, Omnius? Wow, look at you with your little elves on the top of the chart with their feet dangling. How adorable is that?
What? Where you been?
Well, I saw the one on the bottom. You showed me the one on the bottom yesterday. I don't think the guys on the top were you up till 3 in the morning working on that?
I told you that my kids said I had to have elves. Look, the kids want elves, we give them elves, okay? What can you do? They say, Dad, you gotta have elves, we give them elves. Now I need to get you some elves. Yeah. What we doing? You still trading? Oh, look at that. Keep working on my thing then. Working on some elf magic. I don't know if it's really elf magic or not, but if the kids ask, just tell them it is. You not talking, or are you muted? Quiet over there. Getting lonely. I'm not. When? I ain't heard you in a while.
I had like 15 questions for each of you. Going lower. 1, 2. Okay, so the stop is probably around there. I'm just testing it out. Let's see. Let us see. Yeah, looks like it.
All right, I got my Christmas elves. I got my Bullock set up. What's next on the agenda?
Okay, let's hustle up one more player. And we'll run it. I have no idea what the settings are. Don't remember.
Guys, exclamation mark giveaway.
You know what, Omnius, it's true. You have to tell me if you yeah, no, it is. You have to tell me if you have a player. Type it in your chat, because I'm not tracking your chat anymore. Skeletor.
How you gonna know if people in my chat are talking about you?
Yeah, well, I put you on big screen so I can see the elves. Let's try again.
Isn't there a chat right next to the elves? Guys, exclamation mark giveaway. What if it was exclamation mark WTF? And then when people come to the stream, they'll be like, why are all these people
Yeah, we can do that.
WTF? Done. What's done?
I don't know.
The chicken?
Yeah, Femi. The chicken is done. Food is cooked. Supper's ready.
Is it rotisserie chicken?
It was last night.
That got me hungry.
What is that we're looking at?
I think we've been bullish for a while.
That's the close, eh?
But this 15-minute looks like it could kind of dump. Take a look at your 15-minute chart. I think sellers are going to start looking at this 15-minute chart.
I do have one complaint about TradingView. You know what it is? My complaint about TradingView is, or Project X, the order, I don't know what you want to call them, labels or whatever, they go very far across the screen. And in order to see my charts, I got to move the chart almost past the halfway mark. Now,
they used to have it the way you could control how far they go.
Now, granted, I have a layout with multiple charts, so my charts are smaller. But yeah, that would be a great little feature if that was there. I would appreciate it.
Let mine go all the way across the chart. Make sure I got it set for paper trading. Make sure I'm not blowing my live accounts. Take an order, shoot it. No, mine only goes halfway.
Yeah, that's what I said. I got to go about halfway.
You don't like that?
Cheers, Starboy Hams. Well, that's a pain in the ass.
You used to be able to control it, but I think they took that option away.
James.
That's my complaint about TradingView, is they take a lot of the options away. Then a lot of the options that used to be free or in the essential plan, now they want you to have a premium plan. So it's like, oh, just pay more money. It's like, look, I'm not trying to pay $80 a month for TradingView. I don't know. I didn't renew my subscription. I still got it. I think it said till May or something. I don't even know if I need a subscription to TradingView. I mean, I get a certain amount of it for free with AMP. I might be paying for a subscription I don't even need. And then I asked them to give me a trial to the premium so I could see if I like trading the Renko candles on a smaller time frame. And they told me no. So fuck them.
What am I going to eat for lunch today? Soup or cottage cheese? Am I making all of you guys hungry?
Cottage cheese really does it.
On the bright side of things, the soup is an Italian wedding soup. I really like it. It's very good.
Is it canned soup or?
Yeah, no, definitely can.
What company?
Probably Campbell.
Oh, with their fake 3D printed meat?
I have no idea. I don't look into those things. We were out for dinner, and someone was sitting beside me that we just met. It was the first time we met them, and we were just talking about, that I'm a picky eater. Not a picky eater, but I like junk food and kids food. I don't like refined, fancy foods. That's not for me. I want a regular bowl of meat sauce spaghetti. I don't want palourde in it and scampi's and... Anyways, check the back of the cans. I do. I check the back of the cans for coupons so I can get more of them. Hey, guys, I eat Chef Boyardee, and I like it.
What do you check on the back of the can to see if it's 3D printed meat?
So anyways, she was asking, what do you eat? I go, I don't know. For me, my family demands fresh cooked food. Me, I eat out of a can or out of a bag. Or out of a box. That's good enough for me. A bag, a box, a can. If you can chew it and swallow it. And it's
Apparently
salty. It's
apparently
good.
the CEO or the CFO or somebody got caught saying that at Campbell's that there are foods for dumb poor people and that it's 3D printed meat.
Oh no!
They fired that guy quickly, didn't they?
But they did.
We don't know what he was talking about. We care about our customers.
3D printed meat. That 3D printing thing. It's a scam.
Me, I'm over here like, what meat? Remember that super while back? There was like nothing in there. Like, what meat are we talking about? You guys get meat? No, some of those companies, they used to be good companies too. Now you open a can of soup, there's nothing in it.
It's an empty can.
Yeah.
No, you know what drives me nuts? The bag of chips. In the old days, and I'm talking the old days when both my parents were alive. You got a bag of chips, it was a bag of chips. It was good for the whole family for like a week. Now you get a bag of chips, the bag is small, and it's like 80% air. I know they got to put air in there so the chips, like, I mean, really, there's nothing in there. It's like a small soup bowl of chips, and that's like the family size. It's crazy. What do they call that? Shrinkflation?
Yep.
Chef Boyardee. I am, and I'm getting in the mood for it now. Maybe I'll go I actually have a can waiting for me. We don't have to buy a lot of them because nobody will touch them here except for me.
I got cans of soup and it sounds good, but I just think if I go through that effort, am I going to have anything in my soup?
The Italian wedding soup is really good. I don't know if you guys have it in the U.S., but the Italian wedding soup is really good.
Some of those soups, they're not even cheap anymore. I almost go to a restaurant and get a bowl of soup for the same price. Don't make much sense.
Okay, it's 11:35. So we'll play the last qualifying game. And
We ate somewhere over the weekend, and it was like a breakfast place in the middle of the night. And I get this hamburger. I didn't want breakfast food, so it's like, okay, give me the hamburger with bacon and stuff like that. It's like freaking like $14 for the hamburger.
Great.
And then I get a little freaking hamburger. Like, what the fuck is this? Off the kids menu? And like a few French fries. Like, what the fuck is this? Then they didn't even give me the bacon for the hamburger. I'm like, wait, isn't this burger supposed to have bacon? The guy's like, you didn't get your bacon? Like, no, that's the whole reason I got the hamburger was for the bacon.
You just got me in the mood for a bacon cheeseburger.
Not that one.
Doesn't take much, huh?
Yeah, not that one, though. Go to a real burger joint, get you a bacon hamburger. Some of that thick cut cinnamon bacon. Oh, man.
Cinnamon bacon.
Throw on some fried onion rings.
Wow. Okay, shut up. I was supposed to have cottage cheese. Fucking guy. Okay, we're starting the game. I think we're ready to go. Let me just make sure we have everybody. Who was the last entry? Skeletor. Is that right?
I told you if you wanted to diet, do a fast. Don't keep
it's right.
torturing yourself with cottage cheese.
My wife says it's not a diet, it's a new way of life.
You tell your wife that I said, never mind. Pause it right there.
You see, that's a lesson you got to always teach your kids. Think before you talk. Did I say that out loud?
It was a joke. Tell her I said it was a joke.
Well, we don't know what you said. You cut it off, so you're good. You're safe. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, the casino is getting ready to close. Deal me in. The deal me in section has been closed, and we got the last one. Omnius, you ready to go?
I'm ready.
Freezing trading with Mike. Let's do a fire.
Yeah, we're still going to do the Mike trading in the snow, in his underwear. Uh-oh. Glitching.
Tech Comics wins. No, he doesn't. He's going to win, though. Tech Comics got it. Tech Comics got it. Unless someone bumps him. Skeletor's coming in! Check him out like a horse race. Like a horse race. He comes from behind. Says, fuck off. He's taking his time. That was cool. I was sitting here quiet.
Steal, huh?
Yeah, I was sitting here quiet.
Tech Comics says, come on, man.
You should have pedaled a little harder. That's all I can tell you.
That was great.
Okay, that was a good ending to the day, guys. I was pretty quiet most of the day. I had a bad day today. Not a devastating day. On a scale of 1 to 10 on bad days, I guess maybe only a 4. One account blown. Eval. All the rest are green. PA is green.
G for Skeletor.
Guys, type in the chat. Tomorrow it'll be a better day, Mike. And
anybody live in Canada?
Come and visit.
Give Mike a hug.
Come and visit. We'll share a can of Chef Boyardee. Thanks for hanging out, guys.
I want the bacon cheeseburger.
Yeah, are you kidding me? I'm getting off right away. I'm gonna go and try and catch my son before he makes his breakfast, and maybe we'll go get a burger. Thanks for hanging out, guys. Take advantage of the sales. Black Friday, Cyber Monday. That's pretty much the best prices you'll get. Earn to trade. Phenomenal deal. Funded something network. I never remember. Too many funded futures and all that. They all sound the same. Bullinox, great deal. Anybody else that I'm not thinking of? Omnius?
Day traders.
Day traders, absolutely. Great deal. How can day traders not be a great deal when you don't have to pay the second month? You can take your time. And it's true. I forgot to load my day traders account today. But anyways, yeah, maybe that's a good thing. So thanks for hanging out, guys. Omnius?
Guys, appreciate you. See everybody tomorrow morning or this evening on Mike's stream. Mike, you streaming this evening?
Wednesday night, yes, I am.
All right, see you guys there. And tomorrow morning. All right, later, guys. Appreciate everyone.
Take care,
Mike.
guys. Bye-bye.